one time when this train was in service, there was a young lady aboard called a Zephyret. Now the Zephyret was similar to an airline hostess, okay? Her job was to make you ride as comfortable as possible. She'd bring you water to your chair, she would take care of your babies, but her main job was this music. This was a radio. As they go from city to city, they'd lose the signal. She'd have to find another one, so the music stayed on. Now for several years, we had a young lady that portrayed a Zephyret on our train. But she went ahead and got married. She didn't ask us, she just did it, now she doesn't come out anymore. She kind of go out to church if they said any reason. I said, yeah, I don't want her to get married. Okay? But the Zephyrettes requirements were very similar to the airline flight attendants years ago. Certain height, certain weight, could not be married, had to have some kind of medical training, such as a nurse or that. So they had a very responsible job on the Zephyrs. Robert's going to be coming around with those books. Even if you don't want one, take a look at them because they're really neat.